school tomorrow. Follow me! This is my uniform. I'm going to wear it today to see what it's like. Mum helps me put it on. I put my favourite socks on.
Very good. Well done.
These are my new shoes. Daddy, look at me!
Look at you! Oh, big girl, ready for big school?
I love wearing my uniform. We chat about starting big school and how to be a good friend. What was it like when you started school?
When I started school, my mummy dropped me off and I didn't want her to go. But a little kid came up to me and said, hey, do you want to play a game? And then we played some games and we did some drawing and I had so much fun that I totally forgot my mummy had left until she came to pick me up. So my first day ended up being really fun. Are you excited about your first day?
Yeah!
Shall we practice introducing ourselves?
Yeah? Hi, I'm Phoenix. I'm 4 years old and I have pet fish.
Nice to meet you, Phoenix.
Here's my pet fish. There's a yellow fish, a purple fish, and an orange and purple one. That's the one with big lips. I love my fish. This is my school bag. I go to pack it with my lunchbox, my drink bottle, and my favorite toy, Sherbet. Let's go! I put my hat on. Backpack on. We're doing a practice run of getting to school. Big school is nice and close to my home, so we can walk there. We stop, check if any cars are coming, then go. I can see my school. There it is.
Look, Phoenix, here we are.
Yep, this is where we'll pick you up after school where you can get a nice little treat. What kind of treat would you like?
Jelly snake.
Good idea.
I can't wait to start big school. Bye. Watch more on the ABC Kids app.